Alright, did a few things to the Mirage since I've got it. Put on the chrome back strip there. And the 1.2 liter. And I put in my LED license plate lights, LED cargo light, LED interior light. I did the LED backup lights. And I did the Mitsubishi Scuff plates there to it. And again, that center console. And then I added carbon mirrors to it to match the scuff kit along the bottom. Then I have the carbon fiber B-pillar things coming for here. These went on really nice. It should protect it good. And I think I get the windows tinted on the 16th.